Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. So first of all guys, can we all turn to wave and say a big hello to our friends on camera? Hello. Hello. And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap and close our eyes. And when you're ready, guys, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. Excellent. And next, we'll do our stretch sequence. So let's stand up, push in our chairs. And we'll begin by stretching up high to the sky. High as we can. And then, let's go down low. Touch our toes. Now, back up high. Reach for the sky. And this time, can we go tippy-toe high? And when we're there, let's have a wave. Very good, guys. And then back down to touch your toes. And then stand up. Let's have a stretch. Stretch it out. Arms and legs, shake it out. Now we'll do some rotations. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Excellent. And now 5 stretches to our right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 5 stretches to our left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. And to finish, we'll do 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. So in our last math lesson, we began to learn about a new type of calculation that we can do. Now, who can remember the name of the types of calculations? When we have to put different mathematical symbols together in the same sum. Ready, guys? Combined operations. So all together, combined operations. Excellent. So let's write that phrase on the board. So how do we spell, guys, combined? M. Combined. Operations. Yes. And how do we spell operation? Excellent. So altogether, combined operations. Now, let's think back and have a think about the different mathematical symbols that we can use. For example, if I draw a cross, addition. A-D-D-I-T-I-O-N. Addition is one way to do combined operations, along with subtraction. S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N. Addition, subtraction. And then we also have multiplication. Yes, also known sometimes as times. Or multiplication, M-U-L-T-I-P-L-I-C-A-T-I-O-N. Multiplication. And finally, we have this sign. Does anybody remember? Division. Excellent. Well remembered. D-I-V-I-S-I-O-N. Okay, so the name of our topic, combined operations.
Combined operations.
And the operations we can combine: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So what I'll do now is I'll see how well my students remember from the last lesson, and I will draw a sum on the board, and then we will invite a student to come forward and see if they can correctly work out our combined operation. Okay. So let's open our eyes, guys. Who has the pen first? Down. Can you come and join me at the front of class, please? But before we ask Down to answer our combined operation, we're going to take a look. Let's read it together, guys. 20 plus 5 minus 3 equals. Now, thinking back to the last lesson, what's the first part of the sum that we need to do? Remember, brackets. Combined operations always do the sum in brackets first. So step one, Down.
5 minus 3 equal 2.
Okay, so can you write underneath equals 2? Perfect. So we've got our first step worked out. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Now what's the next step?
20 plus 2 equals 22.
Excellent. Now we move on to the next stage of the operation. 20 plus the sum in brackets 2 equals 22. Down. That was brilliant. High five. Big round of applause for Down, guys. So we can say altogether 20 plus 5 minus 3 equals 22. And this is what we call combined operations. Yes, because not only are we using addition or plus, we're also using subtraction or minus. And let's do another one. Let's see how much our students can remember of the next set. Who can demonstrate our understanding of this one? Okay, so this time Bangbon can help us. Open our eyes, guys. Bangbon, come and join me at the front, please. So first thing we'll do, we'll take a good look at our combined operation. 14 plus 7 minus 20. Now what do you notice this time? The brackets have moved. Always first. Wherever the brackets are, we'll always do the sum in brackets first. So what's our first sum, guys? 14 plus 7. Bang, bang. 14 plus 7 equals... Okay, so first of all, can we write the answer underneath? Equals, and then our answer. Okay, that's quite small, but we can see we have 21. So what's the next thing that we do? 21 minus 20 equals 1. Excellent. So you can see the result of this combined operation. Ready, guys? 14 plus 7 minus 20 equals 1. Excellent, Pangpon. Very well done. Big round of applause for Pangpon. And notice in this recap session, we've only been using plus and minus because the focus of today's lesson is combined operations with plus and minus all together. And that was excellent, guys. So very well done, well remembered. And what we've got now is a PowerPoint presentation for our students to better understand and to practice thinking and working out combined operations using addition and subtraction. So let's turn to have a look at the TV screen, guys. So let's take a look and a listen to our PowerPoint presentation, combined operations, addition and subtraction. Yes. So who can tell me what colour is the addition sign on our picture? Blue, yes. You see, this is the addition sign, blue. And how about the subtraction sign? Yellow, yes. So in today's lesson, we're going to be focusing on combined operations using addition and subtraction, and also the equal sign that we need with every calculation. Combined operations are sums involving various arithmetic calculations. Yes, and the 4 different types that we can use: adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing. Yes, we have to use at least 2, okay? For it to be a combined operation, there has to be 2 different ways of calculating. To solve combined operations correctly, you have to follow the following steps. So, like all good mathematical calculations, there is a procedure to follow. So, step 1, look at the sum carefully. 35 plus 82 minus 50 equals. Okay, so that's step 1. We've looked at the sum that we need to do. What's the first bit we need to do, guys? Remember, always start with the calculation in brackets. So in this case, what's the sum in brackets? 82 minus 50. Really? Do you think so? Let's see. Because what we can do now, we'll just break it down. 82 minus 50, as you correctly said, equals 32. So if we go back a step, now we're looking at 35 plus 32. Any ideas, guys? 35 plus 32.
67.
Really?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you really sure?
Yes.
Wow. You see, guys, you're doing combined operations using addition and subtraction. So altogether, we can say 35 plus 82 minus 50 equals 67. Well done. Let's do one more. Combined operation together. So, let's look at the sum carefully. Who can read the sum for me? 82 minus 27 plus 50 equals. So what's the first bit to do? We do the sum in brackets, yes? So, what's the sum in brackets, guys? In brackets, we have 27 plus 50 equals 77. Well done. So, we can look back and see the next part of the calculation is 82 minus 77. What do we think? 82 minus 77. 82 minus 77. I'll give you a clue. It's a small. 5. If we have 82 and we take 77 away, we have 5. So then we can say 82 minus 27 plus 50 equals 5. Perfect, guys. Now you are doing combined operations. Well done. Any questions? No. Okay, excellent, guys. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the PowerPoint presentation so that they can begin to understand even more about combined operations. And the two operations we're using in this lesson, addition and subtraction. And we're going to practice some more with the flashcard activity too. But now it's time for our stretch sequence, guys. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And for this sequence, I think we'll have a game of teacher says. So let's listen carefully. If teacher says, we can do. If teacher doesn't say, don't do. Okay? So hands on head. Teacher didn't say. Touch your knees. Hands on shoulders. Teacher says, hands in the air. Hands down. Teacher says, keep your hands up. Teacher says, keep your hands up. Teacher says, put your hands down. One arm up, one arm down. And swap. Well done, guys. Teacher says, turn around. Teacher says, turn back the other way. And back the other way. Teacher says, arms in the air. Teacher says, one arm down. Teacher says, on one leg. Teacher says, swap legs. Teacher says, swap arms. Teacher says, swap arms and legs. Teacher says, stand up straight. And down into a ball. Very good, guys. Teacher says, down into a ball. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Teacher says, jump! And teacher says, sit down. And now it's time for our flashcard part of the lesson. So teachers, what you'll need to do is print off the flash sheet for the lesson and then cut them into individual strips. And what we'll do is we will cut the strips and place them into a bowl or tray. And now I'm going to nominate students to come forward and use one of the strips of paper to write their combined operation and work it out on the board. So let's see who can go first. Pak Bung, I would like to invite Pak Bung to the front of class, please. Can you pick a combined operation? Only one? Excellent. And can you show it to your friends? So, combined operation, guys, what can we see? 40 minus 20 plus 75 equals. So, Pak Bung, can you write that on the board for me, please? So, first of all, we need brackets. 40 minus 20, close brackets, plus 75 equals. So, remembering back, what is the first sum that we need to do, guys? 40 minus 20 equals 20. So we can write 20 underneath our sum. Excellent. And now we're ready for step 2. 20 plus 75. Excellent, Pak Bung. So you can see, by working out the sum in brackets first, and then using the answer with the next part of the operation, we have our answer. So 40 minus 20 plus 75 equals 95. Pak Bung, that was excellent. High five and a big round of applause for Pak Bung. And now it's time for our next student to come forward. So I would like to nominate Pat. Pat, come to the front of class. And what I need to do, I need to rub off the old calculation. Okay, so you can pick any calculation you want, only one, and then show it to your friends. So guys, 11 minus 3 equals. So first of all, Pat, can you write this operation on the board for me like this? So 44 plus, and then brackets, 11 minus 3, close brackets, equals. Excellent, Pat. So, what's the first sum we need to do, guys?
In the bracket.
Always in the brackets. So, first of all, 11 minus 3 equals 8. So, Pat, you can write 8 here. Perfect. And then, what's next that we have to do?
44 plus 8.
You see, now we add 44 to our answer here, 8. So 44 plus 8
52.
equals 52. So Pat, you can write your answer here. Perfect. You see how we're using combined operations, because first of all, we subtract and then we add. Pat, altogether, 44 plus 11 minus 3 equals 52. Pat, that was excellent. High five. Big round of applause for Pat. So teachers, you can see the activity that I'm doing in my class with my students now. You can pause the video and play on for around the next 5 or 10 minutes or so, and make sure all students get a good chance to practice. And we're going to play on further here. So let's see who can go next. I think next we will have Lakau. Lakau, can you come and join me at the front of class, please? Can you show it to your friends? Okay.
25 minus 16 plus 8 equal.
Let's find out. Lakau, can you first of all write our combined operation on the board? 25 minus 16 plus 8. Close brackets equals. So, once again, guys, what's the first sum to do?
16 plus 8
Equals?
24.
So Lakau will write underneath 24. So now can you work out what's the remainder of the combined operation?
5 minus 24 equal 1.
Equals 1. You see? Combined operation again. First we add and then we subtract. So all together, guys, Lakau, are you ready? 25 minus 16 plus 8 equals 1. Is that right?
Yes.
Excellent. High five for Lakau and a big round of applause too. Next, who can we have? Who hasn't been yet? Who hasn't been yet? Net, come and join me at the front. You can stand here, please. And now it's Net's turn to choose a combined operation. So can you choose it and show it to your friends? Excellent, Net. So
25 minus 13 plus 7 equal.
okay, so first of all, let's write this combined operation on the board. So Net, here's your pen. Can you write this combined operation?
25 minus
Then open brackets, 13 plus 7, close bracket, equals. Perfect, Net. So, what do we think is that? Do we start here?
13 plus 7.
Excellent. We always look for the sum in brackets. So 13 plus 7
20.
equals 20. So we can write 20 underneath. Excellent, Net. Now, step 2, 25 minus 20 equals. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, so Net, you can write your answer. Perfect. So altogether, 25
25
minus
minus
13
13
plus 7
plus 7
equals
equal
5.
5.
Net, that was brilliant. High five. Big round of applause for Net. And that was excellent, guys. Really well done. And now it's time for our worksheet part of the lesson. So teachers, what you'll need to do is print off a worksheet for every student in your class. And as you can see, our worksheet today has different types of combined operations, but they all involve addition or subtraction, which is what we're focusing on today. But remind, wherever the brackets are is always the place to start. And what's the first thing to do, guys? Always write our names on top. So give our students around 15 minutes to complete this activity and just monitor the class, help them with anything they need. So Chu, this one's for you. Pak Bung for you. You're welcome. Pat, here's yours. Nadia for you. Ned for you. You're welcome. Down, here's yours. Bangpon for you.
Thank you.
You're all very welcome. And Prel, that's yours. And Lakav, this one's for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So guys, any questions or any you're not sure, let me know. I can help you on the board. So let's see, first one, 50 plus, sorry, let go, 15 plus 25 minus 6. So, first one to do, guys, the sum in brackets. 25 minus 6. What do we think? Equals 19. So 25 minus 6. What do we write underneath? 19. And then 69. Or, Pak Bung, 50 plus 19. We can go both ways, 19 plus 50 or 50 plus 19. 69. And that's a combined operation involving addition and subtraction. So Chu, don't forget, write your name on top and then see what combined operations you can work out. Excellent, Pat. Well done. And then the next one, always looking to do the one in brackets first. Excellent, Nadia. So 17 minus 15 equals 2. And then we look at 75 minus 2. How much? 73. Well done. And don't be scared to show your working out, guys. If you need to do a table to show your working out, do it. It's good to see your working out too. Excellent, Pak Bung. Like that, yeah. If you need to do your calculations on the paper, do them. Okay. So next one. So 35 minus 7.
Oh,
8. 28. And then 28 plus 63. If you need to, you can do your equals, yep, you were going to say it. 91, excellent, Bangpon. Let's look at the end one. 31 plus 42, 73. Minus 13. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the worksheet activity where they had to work their way through the different combined operations and provide the answers in the final space provided. And my students here all did a great job. So very well done, guys. So it's important to remember that when we talk about combined operations, it involves at least 2 different types of mathematical symbols. And today we've practiced addition and subtraction, and we'll be practicing some more symbols in future. But for now, that's all we've got time for. So can we all turn to wave and say goodbye, guys? Goodbye. Bye-bye. See you again soon.